Hi guys, so for this video I'm gonna recreate my Pinterest board. So this is the first outfit. So I didn't have the muscle tee, so I tucked in the sleeves of that t-shirt under my bra strap, and yeah, that's it. I really like the monochrome outfit look on me, especially because it gives illusion of longer legs, and yes, it gives you height. And yeah, that's it. I mean, monochrome looks are very simple to pull together as well. You can pull together any monochrome look, and especially if you are wearing something high waisted in monochrome, I mean, it will do wonders to your body regardless of your body type. And yeah, that's all about it. And accessorize such looks with a shoulder bag, and it will give very good Y2K vibes. If you don't know, Y2K is early 2000s fashion. So to recreate the second picture from my Pinterest board, I just wore this cardigan over the slip dress. So I'm wearing this slip dress as a slit skirt, and yeah, that's it. I actually tucked in the cardigan a little so that it will look more structured, because that cardigan is oversized on me and I wanted that waist definition. And yeah, you have your look, and it is very fall appropriate as well. And this is how you can repurpose your spring outfits in fall seasons. I mean, it is not fall anymore, it is the proper winter now. So if you feel you will be cold from your legs, you can wear skin color warmer, let that those legs warmer stocking. I hope you are subscribed to my channel. If you haven't, just subscribe because it's free, and then resume the video. So this is the next picture I recreated. I really like the simple look of it, but it is kind of basic pieces for the winters, but still it looks very chic. And yeah, especially I like that model pose in the picture. I was thinking if I should do recreating my Pinterest board poses, so let me know if I should recreate that. And yeah, the outfit is as simple as it looks. The leather jacket over this white shirt, and boyfriend jeans on the bottom, and these ankle boots. For the next outfit I recreated, it's very simple and kind of trending these days, is the slip dress with crew neck. I mean, I don't know what is this called. I think crew neck is called crew neck. So crew neck, full sleeve, and ankle boots underneath. And yeah, that's it. I added this belt to give me some waist definition, as this slip dress is little oversized on me. And yeah, that's it. I really like this slip dress. I mean, it is justifying both the trends. I mean, the animal trend that is in these days, and the slip trend. And yeah, you can literally wear this dress, such outfit to your New Year's Eve or Christmas parties or any kind of parties, because I mean, you want to wear dresses over parties, but it is difficult to wear dresses because it's winter and you will be cold. I know a lot of people still wear dresses even if they are cold, but I don't think I will compromise that thing for me. So this is how you can wear it. I just added in the shoulder bag. And for the next outfit I recreated is this. So this is my father's vest actually, and I'm wearing it over this shirt, and same boyfriend jeans and ankle boots, and same shoulder bag. And yeah, this is very 2020 trends appropriate, and this is my this was actually my whole vibe for creating this Pinterest board. And yeah, that's it. And all these outfits are very appropriate for almost all body types, and doesn't show that much skin if you are not comfortable with it. I mean, showing skin is not wrong, but I know a lot of people are not comfortable, especially in India. So yeah, so I intentionally made this Pinterest board so that will be appropriate for most of the audience here. And yeah, that's it. I really like this shabby chic look of this outfit. So this is the next look I recreated. This is again monochrome outfit with this muscle tee hack. I mean, this hack is so versatile and very trendy. And yeah, that's it. I added this shoulder bag to the outfit, and I really like the monotony of monochrome outfits. It gives you length, extra height, and you look snatched in it. And yeah, that's it. I think wide leg pants are one of the staples you should buy, and such graphic tees with pop of color. I mean, I'm not really a Messi fan or I watch football or anything, but still it looks very cool because of pop of color. And yeah, wearing a football player t-shirt is always cool thing to do. Also, guys, follow me on Instagram at the rate Chic the Style. I post a lot of fashion stuff there, and it is free to follow. So for the next outfit, I recreated this outfit, the plaid skirt and sweater look. So this is not actually a plaid skirt, it is a plaid dress. So I overlaid the sweater over it. And yeah, I really like the festive look of it. And yeah, I just know how to look festive, especially during Christmas time. I think everyone is so festive during this time, irrespective of their countries. I mean, in India, Christmas is not that of a big deal, but everyone is so hyped up and so festive over this season. So yeah, you can be festive by wearing clothes like these, even if you don't actually formally celebrate Christmas. So for the next outfit, I recreated this outfit, and the model is not actually wearing anything underneath, but I am wearing these leggings because the top is not like actually a dress. She was wearing a black dress like that, and this is actually a long top, but it is not that long to wear it as if. So yeah, and she was wearing ankle boots, thigh high boots. So in place of that, I'm wearing ankle boots. I'm really sorry that this look is over the place, but all over the place, but still it works. And if you have thigh high boots, if you have a longer sweater thingy like this, turtleneck like this, you can wear it as like that, and you can wear it like this as well. So the next outfit I recreated is this look screams me of Pirates of Caribbean, but this looks kind of works with the current trends. So I'm wearing this white shirt and I overlaid this sports bra over it, and I'm wearing wide leg pants, but I actually tucked in the ends of wide leg pants to my ankle boots, and yeah, this gave me that. You can also overlay the whole look with this long coat, and yeah, that's it. I really like how this look turned out. This is one of my favorite outfits, and most accurate according to the picture, and yeah, that's it. I actually saw this trend, I mean the sports bra overlay thingy on Valeria Lupovitsky's channel, and since then I'm in love with this trend. So for the next outfit, I'm wearing this plaid pants with this sweater, and I am wearing this white shirt underneath, and yeah, that's it. And ankle boots. I mean, if you know me, you will see me wearing this exact same outfit over and over again throughout the winters. I am such a sucker for this outfit. I really like plaid, and I really like overlaying overlaying sweater over shirt. So this is one of my favorite outfits, and you will not be cold in such an outfit. And yeah, that's it. And again, plaid is kind of festive during this time. And yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you have subscribed.